If you love simple skincare with natural ingredients, you have got to try this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you how I made this amazing skin loving soap using Premier soap as the base. And I added some powerful natural ingredients to boost its benefit. So stay tuned, let's get started. I started with Premier soap, which is already a gentle and a moisturizing soap. If you are this kind of person that doesn't want to bleach but you also want to look good, then this soap is for you. It's a matte. You can use any mild soap of your choice, or that soap that you are using. As long as it's not a bleaching soap, you can increase its benefit. So first thing you can cut it into pieces, or you use a grater. I'm using a grater to make it easier for me to melt, because I'm going to melt the soap before adding the rest of my ingredients. If you have enough time, you can do double boiling method, like so, like the way I'm doing. Don't have time, you can put it direct on the heat. Like when you cut it or you grate it, you can pour it into your pot and put it direct on the heat. While our soap is melting, let's grate the cucumber. We are adding cucumber juice into this soap. So cucumber is a fantastic natural ingredient for skincare. It's gentle, refreshing, and packed with benefits. Cucumber soothes and calm the skin. Cucumber has high water content, about 95%, and natural cooling properties, which helps reduce inflammation, redness, and puffiness, perfect for calming irritated or sunburned skin. Cucumber deeply hydrates. Its water-rich nature helps to hydrate and refresh dry or tired skin, making it look more plumpy. And cucumber brightens and refreshes. Cucumber contains vitamin C and caffeic acid, which helps to brighten dull skin and give your face a natural, healthy glow. It fights acne and blemishes. Its antibacterial properties can help cleanse the skin and reduce breakout. Plus, its astringent nature helps tighten pores and reduce excess oil. Promotes even skin tone. Cucumber can help fade dark spots and pigmentation over time due to its mild bleaching properties. Supports anti-aging. It contains antioxidant that helps fight free radicals, which contribute to aging, and it helps improve skin elasticity. So after melting the soap, I extract the juice from the cucumber and added it to the soup. The next ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties. It helps even out skin tone and give your skin a healthy glow. And then I added honey, a natural humectant, which means it locks in moisture. It also antibacterial, so it's great for acne prone skin. And then I added coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply moisturized, nourishing, and packed with antioxidants that help protect and soothe the skin. If you are still watching to this point, please subscribe. Okay, thank you. Once everything is well mixed, I pour it into my mold and let it sit. Don't worry if you don't have a soap mold or a silicone mold. I have another option for you that you can use. Okay, so after mixing everything is well combined, I pour it into my silicone mold. This silicone mold is very good, it's very fantastic, because it makes it easier for your soap to remove when it solidifies. As you can see, one bar soap is giving us about, should I say, 5 or 6 soap base. So this soap, oh my god, you will love this soap. So this is the second option. If you don't have silicone mold. You can have any container, or if you have any container that you can remove the soap easily, you can go ahead and use it. You don't need to worry if you don't have silicone mold. So after that, I cut the base of the Pringles. You can see it was a Pringles. You can use any container of your choice. So after that, I cut the Pringles, is it tin can, then I now pour the remaining base in it. A rich natural soap that's perfect for glowing healthy skin. If you love simple skincare with natural ingredients, you have got to try this. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial, or if you try adding your own twist to a basic soap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips. See you in the next video.